Hello, today I will show you this combat max roach bait station. Get this our station. It look like that. The using them is very simple. Just place the bait station where you see the cockroach, like under the sink, behind the refrigerator or kitchen corners. I like it because there is no spray, no strong smell, no mess. Just put them down and let them work. I'll show you how it's working. The box go inside here and take the bait, and it goes the nest. It's killing all the cockroaches. Station are very small, so it's easy to hide them in place where I'm going to put kitchen under the fridge. Look like that. Under the fridge I'm going to place, for example, two um, two of them, two of them like that here. And also I am going to put here like that place, and here like that. You can use wherever you want. If you are looking an easy way to help your cockroaches without using spray, I think this is a good choice. Thank you for watching.